Yeah, okay, I'll continue with the next problem in DFA. So that is a draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's starting with AB. Okay, so you have to construct a DFSM or DFA to accept strings of A's and B's starting with what AB. String should start with what AB. That's it. That's a requirement. So I'll brush up what how to design what DFA one more time. Then I'll continue with what a problem. Okay, yeah. So I think you know, in order to construct what DFA, first we have to write what sigma. So from the given question we have to write what sigma. Next we have to define what language. So in the language you have to identify whether it's a finite language, finite or infinite. Okay. So from the given question, so write down what sigma, then you write what language, then identify whether its language is finite or infinite. If it is what finite, then go with the maximum length string. If it is what infinite, then go with what minimum length string. String of length what minimum. Okay. And next build what skeleton. How to build what skeleton? If size of a minimum length string is 1, go with what 2 states. If it is 0, go with what 1 state, and that should be what starting as well as what accepting. So if it is 2 states, one is starting, one is what accepting. If size is what 3, go with what 4 states. If size is what 4, go with what 5 states, and that will continue. So next you connect and write that minimum length string as it is. After that, build what muscle. While building what muscle, first give preference for what loop. So next, if loop is not possible, next try to go with try to connect with the next immediate state. Okay, nearest state. Okay, nearest state. If all the option loop and connecting to what a nearest state is not possible, then finally they will go with what dead state. So if you follow this one, you can construct what DFA for any problem without any mistake. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to solve this particular problem. So draw a DFM to accept strings of A's and B's starting with AB. So strings of A's and B's, therefore your sigma will going to become A comma B. Strings of A's and B's, therefore a symbol will going to become what A comma B, or your alphabet will going to become what A comma B. So once you define what alphabet, next you have to write what language. Okay. So language is starting with AB. So you can form out any number of what strings. All those strings must start with what AB. That is what our requirement. In the worst case, you will get what string AB. Okay. So language will going to have in the worst case will get what string AB. Next I can form starting with AB. So you can form what any string in each and every string. It should start with what AB. That is what our requirement. So A B B, AB B B, AB A A, and you can form what. How many number of word strings? You can form what infinite number of word strings. Okay. So you can form what n number of word strings or infinite number of word strings. Therefore, the language is what infinite language. So whenever the language is what infinite, just take what minimum length string. Okay. Just underline what minimum length string. What's the minimum length string? AB. So what is the length of that minimum length string? 2. Whenever the length is what 2, how many states? 3 states. Out of 3, one should be what start state, and one more should be what accepting state. And there should be what exactly one intermediate state. Start state, accepting state, one intermediate state. Next, you know how to write what start state. Circle with arrow, that will going to become a start state. 2 circle, that will going to become an accepting state. So just a circle, that will going to become intermediate state. Now connect these 3 using what an arrow. Okay. Next, whatever the minimum length string AB, you write that one as it is. So length is what 2. So I have taken how many states? 3 states. Okay. One is start state, one is accepting state, one is intermediate state. Connect that one using arrow, and whatever AB, you write that one as it is. Okay. Next, name this states. Q0, Q1 and Q2, and this one is called as what skeleton. Okay. Now I have to build what muscle. How to build what muscle? So you rewrite this one more time. If you want, you can write here itself. Just for practice purpose, you rewrite that one more time. So Q naught, so Q1, Q2, and connect that one arrow. You rewrite the diagram what as it is. So I return this diagram out one more time. So Q naught, Q1, and what Q2. Okay. So next, observe what sigma. Sigma is what 2. Sigma is what 2. There should be what 2 paths in DFA. For every input, there should be path in what DFA. So already there is a path for what A. Now I have to build path for what B. Okay. So now from the Q naught, I have to build path for what B. So what's the first option? You have to go with what loop. So if I go with what loop, what will happen? String starting with what AB. Okay. If I go with what loop, so in that case, string may start with what n number of b's. So that is not our requirement. According to language, if the string is what valid, that should start with what AB. If I go with a loop, that will going to start with n number of b's followed by what AB. That is not our requirement. Therefore, loop is not valid option. If loop is not valid option, next try to connect with what next nearest state. For the Q naught, next nearest state is what Q1. If I connect here upon what B, if I connect upon what B, so string will going to start with what B, then one more B, and that will be accepted. Once this will going to accept what 1B, 2B, BB, but that is not belongs to what our language. Therefore, even connecting to what Q naught is not a valid option. Okay. Now try to connect with what next nearest state. Next to nearest state is what Q2. If I connect with what Q2, this will going to accept directly what B. Okay, that is not belongs to what our language. Therefore, even connecting Q naught to Q2 is also what not a valid option. Okay, so loop is also not possible. Connecting to Q1 is also not possible. Connecting to Q2 is also what not possible. If there is no other option, so now I don't have any other option. In that case, you have to go with one state, and that state is called as what dead state. Once you reach what dead state, you remain within what dead state. Okay, upon B. So now Q naught is what over Y, because there is a path for A and path for B, and the sigma is what just A comma B, and here we have path for both A as well as what B. Now Q naught is what over. Next, go to what Q1. Yeah, so go to what Q1. So already there is a path for what B. Now I have to give path for what A. So what is the first option? First option is loop upon what A. So string should start with what A. Start with what AB. Correct, right? Now if I go with loop upon what A, what will happen? A, then n number of A's, then what B. Now string is not starting with what AB. Why? Because 1A, then n number of A's, A, then you will get what 1B before going to what accepting state. Therefore, I will get n number of A's, then 1B, then that will be go to what accepting state. Therefore, going to loop is also what not a valid option. Okay. So what is the next thing? Next you have to connect with nearest state. Both are what nearest state. Try to connect over what Q naught upon what A. So I'll get 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Then before going to accepting state, I'll going to have a 10 number of A's. Then that will be got accepted. Therefore, connecting to Q naught is also not a valid option. Okay. So what is the last option? Even try with what Q2. If I try with what Q2, what will happen? 1A, 2A, that will be accepted. Now it will going to accept what AA before going to what final state or accepting state. Therefore, even connecting to Q naught is also not a valid option. If there is no other option, then I have to go with what dead state. Just remember, it should start with what AB. Therefore, I should not disturb that AB. Therefore, whatever the other inputs, that should be connected to what dead state. Okay, yeah. Now, if you observe what Q1, there is a path for A, path for what B, and sigma is what A comma B. Therefore, Q1 is also what over. Now go to what Q2. It should start with what AB. At the end, you can have what anything. Okay. Therefore, you can go with what loop upon A comma B. So if I write a loop upon what A, what will happen? AB. Then I can have what n number of A's. So it is starting with what AB. Therefore, I don't have what any problem. So writing a loop upon A is valid. Okay. What about B? If you so I'll going to have what AB before going to what final state. Then I can have what n number of B's. Therefore, if I write a loop upon B, that's that will going to form a valid string. Okay. So either you can write in two loops, or you can use what comma and you can write A comma B. Okay. So now if you observe a Q2, there is a path for A, path for B, sigma is what A comma B, therefore even Q2 is also what oval. So now this is what you are required transition diagram. So transition diagram. Okay. So now I'll write all the 5 tuples. What's the first tuple? First tuple is what Q. Okay. First tuple is what Q. What's the Q from the diagram? So Q0, comma Q1, comma Q2. So Q is a set of finite number of states. Therefore Q0, Q1, Q2 are the finite number of states that is present within whatever required DFA. So it will going to become Q0, comma Q1, comma Q2. So what is the next tuple? Sigma. So what is the sigma? Sigma is what A comma B. Okay. Next we have tried what delta, transition function. Okay. So delta of first one Q0 comma A. What is Q0 comma A? So Q0 comma A is what? Q1. So Q0 comma Q0 upon A is what? Q1. Okay. Next, what is Q0 comma B? So dead state either you can write or you can skip that one. Q0 comma B is dead state. Okay. Next, go with what Q1. What is Q1 comma A? Delta of Q1 comma A is again what? Dead state. Okay. What is the delta of Q1 comma B? Q1 comma B is Q2. What is delta of Q2 comma A? Delta of Q2 comma A is what is Q2 comma A? Of A and B, it is what again Q2. Okay, so last one delta of Q2 comma B is again that is also what? Q2. Okay. So this is what your transition function. So transition diagram, transition function. What's the remaining tuples? Q is over, sigma is over, delta is over. Start state. Start state S is what's the start state from the diagram? Start state is Q0. And what about accepting state? Accepting state is what? Q2. So A is Q2. Okay. Yeah. So there is one more thing, that is a transition table. I'll rub this part and I'll write. So start state is what? Q0 and accepting state is what? Q2. Okay. Yeah. So transition table. So you write the inputs over here. Next, how many states? 3 states. So if you want, you can include a dead state or you can skip that one. Okay. Either you can include that state or you can skip that one while writing what? Transition table. Okay. What is Q0 upon A? Q0 upon A is what? Q1. Okay. What is Q0 upon B? Q0 upon B is what? Dead state. Okay. So Q0 upon A is what? Q1. Q0 upon B is what? Dead state. Q0 upon B is what? Dead state. So next, go with what? Q1. What is Q1 upon A? Q1 upon A is what? Dead state. So Q1 upon A is dead state. What is Q1 upon B? Q1 upon B is what? Q2. Q1 upon B is Q2. Next, go with what? Q2. What is Q1? Q2 upon A as well as what? B? Q2 upon A as well as what? B is again what? Q2. So Q2 upon A as well as B is again what? Q2. And what about dead state? Once you reach what? Dead state, for both A as well as B, you will remain within a dead state. Therefore, dead state upon A as well as what? B, so again what? Dead state. Okay. And in the transition table also, you denote we denote start state using what? Arrow, and accepting state using what? Star. If there is a star in the transition table, that indicates what? Accepting state. If there is an arrow for any state within the transition table, that will going to denote what? Start state. Okay. Yeah. So this one is your transition table, transition diagram, and transition function. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So next I'll continue with next problem. So that's draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's. So ending with ABB. So you can take what any strings that is formed with symbol A as well as what B, and that should end with what ABB. That is what our requirement. So what is the first step? The first step is write down what sigma. Okay. So what is the sigma? Sigma is A comma B. So why it is A comma B? Strings of A's and B's. Strings of A's and B's. Therefore sigma is what? A comma B. So next you write what language. Okay. So it's how to write about language ending with ABB. So in the worst case, if you write what ABB, so that will going to become what? Our minimum length string. Okay. So string ending with what? ABB. So in the worst case, I'll get what? ABB. So even I can write what? ABBB, double A double B. So because it is ending with what? ABB. Okay. So in this case here we have what? Epsilon. That's it. Ending with ABB. Even I can write B ABB, or I can form n number of word strings. Okay. A B B. So ending with ABB. I can form what? N number of word strings. Therefore, what's the type of the language? The type of the language is what? Infinite language. So whenever the language is infinite, just underline what? Minimum length string. Okay. So what's the minimum length string? ABB. What's the length of that one? That is what? 3. If it is what? 3, how many states? 4 states. So one should be what? Start state, and one should be what? Accepting state. So out of 4, so one should be what? Start state, one should be what? Accepting state. Okay. Remaining 2 should be what? Intermediate state. Okay. So next connect all this 4 using what? Arrow. Using a connector what? Arrow. Next, whatever the string we have here, ABB, you write that one as it is, ABB, and name this one. Okay. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So now this will going to become what? Skeleton. So this what? This will going to become skeleton. Now we have to build what muscle? How to build what muscle? You rewrite this one more time. If you want, you can build here itself. Just for practice purpose, you rewrite this one more time. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, B. Okay. Now you build what muscle? So how to build what muscle? If sigma is what 2, there should be what 2 paths from each state in a DFA. Okay. So already there's a path for what A. Now we have to build a path for what? B. Okay. What's the first option? So you must go with what? Loop. Okay. You must go with what? Loop. So ending with ABB. So in the beginning I can have what? Anything. Correct, right? Therefore if I write a loop, that will going to become a valid option. N number of B's, before going to accepting state, it will go with what? ABB. So that will going to become valid string that belongs to what? Our language. Okay. So if I write what? Loop, that will going to become valid option. Now observe what? Q0. There's a path for A, path for B, and sigma is A comma B. Therefore Q0 is what? Over. Now go with what? Q1. There's a path for what? B. Now to build path for what? A. What is the first option? First option is going with what? Loop. If I go with what? Loop, what will happen? 1A, so starting state 1A, next one more A, or n number of A's, and before going to what? Accepting state, so it will go with what? ABB. So ABB means string is ending with what? ABB. So that will going to become a valid option. Okay, 1A, then n number of A's. Okay, 1A, then n number of A's, next BB. So it is ending with what? ABB. That is what our requirement, ending with what? ABB, before going to what? Accepting state. Therefore this will going to become a loop is going to become a valid option. Okay. So next observe what? Q1 is having path for A, path for B, Q1 is also over. Next go with what? Q2. There's a path for what? B. Now to give path for what? A. So what's the first option? Loop. So if I write a loop, what will happen? Upon A, just observe here, AB, next n number of A's, then I'll get what? B. Means it is ending with what? BAB, before going to what? Accepting state. Therefore loop is not a valid option. Don't write what? Loop. So just remember, now I have to connect with what? Nearest state. Just remember what's our requirement? ABB. So if I connect somewhere, I'll get what? ABB. If I connect here, I'll get what? upon A, I'll get what A, B, A. So that's not a valid option. If I connect here, I'll get what string will going to end with what A, B, A. So this is also not valid option. If I connect here, so what will happen? A, B, A. So before going to what accepting state, it will accept what 2 more B's. I'll get what A, B, B. Therefore, connecting to what Q1 is a valid option. Just observe this one. I'll write what A here. A, B, one more A. Before going to accepting state, it will accept what 2 more B's. A, B, B. So ending with what A, B, B. Therefore, this will going to become a valid option. So try connect Q2 upon A to what Q1. Q2 upon A to what Q1. A, B, A, B, A, B. Again what A. So 2 more B's. B, B. So before going to what accepting state. So string is what ending with A, B. Therefore, this is a valid string. Okay. Yeah. Now observe that Q2, there is a path for B and there is a path for A. Okay. Therefore, Q2 is also what over. Now go with what Q3. Okay. Go to what Q3. So Q3 upon A. So what's the first option? Loop. If I go with what loop, what will happen? I'll go into our n number of phase. Okay, that will not going to become a valid option. Why? Because that will going to end with what A. So our requirement is that should end with what A, B, B. Okay, loop is not a valid option. Now what's the next thing? Try to connect with the next nearest state. If I connect here, then I'll get what A, B, B, then A, B. So that will going to end with what A, B. A, B, B. So again A, B. So it will going to end with what A, B. Therefore, connecting to Q2 is also not a valid option. Just observe. So somewhere if I connect, I'll get what B, B at the end. A, B, B. So if I connect here, so what will happen? A, B, B before going to accepting state. So that is what our requirement. So try to connect Q3 to Q1 upon what A. So A, B, B, then again A. So before going to what accepting state, it will accept what 2 more B's. Therefore, it will going to end with what A, B, B. Therefore, connecting Q3 upon A to Q1 is a valid option. Okay. Now I have to give path forward B. How to give path forward B? If I write a loop, what will happen? It will going to end with a number of B's. That is not our requirement. That should end with what? Only 2 B's. Therefore, loop is not a valid option. So what is the next? Connect with the next nearest state. What is the next nearest state? Q2 upon B. If I connect to Q2, what will happen? It will going to end with B, 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 B. So it will going to end with again so some number of what B's. So that is not a valid string. So connecting to Q2 is also not possible. What about this one? I'll get what 3 B's. That is also not possible. Just observe here. If I connect Q3 to Q0, what will happen? B. Okay, B. So before going to what accepting state, it is going to accept what A, B, B. So ending with what A, B, B. Okay, A, B, B. Then what B? Again, it will going to end with what A, B, B. If I come what one more time B. So again, it will going to end with what A, B, B. Therefore, connecting B from Q3 Q0 is a valid option. Okay, now just check what Q3. There is a path for A, path for B. Therefore, Q3 is also over. Therefore, this is what you are required finite automata. Okay, or DFA or DFSM. Okay, and this one is called as what transition diagram. Transition diagram. Now I'll write all the 5 tuples. What's the first tuple? First tuple is what Q. It's a Q from the given diagram. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, so Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So 4 states starting from Q0 to Q3. Okay, what is sigma? Sigma from the equation is A comma B. Okay, sigma is what A comma B. And what about transition function? Transition function, so that is what delta Q0 upon A. Q0 upon A is what Q1, Q0 upon B is again what Q0. So delta transition function. So Q0 upon A, delta Q0 upon B. So Q0 upon A is Q1. So Q0 upon A is Q1. What is Q0 upon B? Q0 upon B is again what Q0. Okay. Next go with what Q1. So delta of Q1 comma A, delta of Q1 comma B. Okay. So what is Q1 upon A? Q1 upon A is again Q1. Q1 upon A is what? Q1. And what is Q1 upon B? Q1 upon B is what? Q2. Q1 upon B is Q2. Okay. So next go with what? Q2. So delta of Q2 comma A and delta of Q2 comma B. Okay. So if you want, I'll write even Q3 comma A and delta of Q3 comma B. Okay. What is Q2 upon A? Q2 upon A is Q1. Q2 upon A is what? Q1. And Q2 upon B is what? Q3. Q2 upon B is Q3. What is Q3 upon A? Q3 upon A is Q1. Q3 upon A is Q1. And Q3 upon B is what? Q0. Q3 upon A is Q1. Okay. And Q3 upon B is Q0. Q3 upon B is Q0. So this is what your transition function, transition diagram. I think you know how to construct what? Transition table. Okay. So I'll go with the next problem. That's to draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's having substring AAB. Okay. So you can form any number of strings using what A as well as what B, but there should be what substring AAB. I think you know substring means it can be anywhere within the string. Okay. It may be in the first position or in the middle or in the last position. Okay. So how to construct? First you write what your sigma. So strings of A's and B's, so therefore your sigma is going to become A comma B. Okay. Strings of A's and B's, therefore sigma is going to become A comma B. Next you write what language. So how to write that language? Substring what AAB. Therefore in the worst case I'll get what? String itself. That is what AAB. Okay. So next AAB. Okay. Now we have substring what AAB here. That is ending with what that is present at the last position. And even I can write AA, AB, A. Now it is in the middle position. Okay. And this will what? Continue. So I can write what n number of what strings. Therefore the language will going to become what? Infinite language. Okay. So whenever the language is what? Infinite, just underline what? Minimum length string. And what is the length of what minimum length string? 3. If it is what? 3, how many states? So now I have to write how many states? 4 states. Okay. If the length is what? 3, I have to go with what? 4 states. How to write that 4 state? One should be what? Start state. How to write what? Start state? Arrow with a circle. Okay. And how to write what? Accepting state? 2 circle. So out of 4, one should be start, one should be what? Accepting state. Write what? 2 intermediate state. And connect this one using what? Arrow. And whatever the minimum length string, you write that one as it is. A, B. Okay. So next name this particular state. Okay. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So now this will going to become the skeleton. Okay. This will going to become what? Skeleton. Now I have to build what muscle? So in order to build what muscle, you rewrite this one more time. So Q0 upon A. So next Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay. So next observe what sigma. Sigma is just A comma B. From each state there should be path for A as well as what B. So if you go with what Q0, there is a path for A. Now to build path for what? B. What is the first option? Loop upon what? B. If I write loop upon B, what will happen? So I'll get n number of B's followed by AAB. Okay, that's a valid string. N number of B's followed by AAB. So I have what substring what AAB. Therefore that will going to become valid option. So Q0 is what? Over, because there is a path for A and there is a path for what? B. Now go with what? Q1. Okay, Q1 there is a path for A. Now to give path for what? B. So first option, loop upon what? Q1. So if I write loop upon what Q1, what will happen? So n number of B's, I'll get what? AB. BAB. So while ending it will going to end with what? BAB. So that is not our requirement. So there is no substring what AAB. Therefore loop is not a valid option. If loop is not a valid option, so you have to connect with what next nearest state. Next nearest state is what Q0 R and Q2. Which one you will connect? So if I connect here, I will get what substring what AAB. Okay, if I connect here, I will not get the substring what. If I connect here upon what B, I will not get the substring what AAB. A B B. It will accept what ABB. So requirement is AAB. Therefore this is not a valid option. So connecting to Q0 is a valid option upon B. So just observe here, I will get what n number of B's, A, then B, then before going to accepting state, it will accept what AAB. So having the substring what AAB, that's a valid option. So Q1 is also over. Why? Because there is a path for A and there is a path for B. So Q1 is also over. Now go with what Q2. Already there is a path for what B. Now to give path for what A. So if I write what loop, what will happen? 1A, 2A, n number of A's. Before going to accepting state, it will accept what 1B. Okay, 1A, 2A, n number of A's. Before going to what accepting state, it will going to accept what 1B. N number of A's followed by what 1B. N number of A's followed by 1B. So we have substring what AAB. Therefore that's a valid option. So loop upon A for Q2 is a valid option. So write a loop. Okay, now if you observe what Q2, there is a path for A and there is a path for B. Therefore Q2 is also over. Now go with what Q3. Okay, I am the substring what AAB. Now if you observe, already I have substring what AAB before coming to what Q3. Therefore now I can write what anything. How to write what anything? So anything is what loop upon A comma B. So already I have what AAB string what AAB. So here I can have anything. How to write what anything? Loop. So loop upon A means I can have any number of A's and any number of B's. Okay, and now this will going to become your transition diagram. Okay, yeah. What is the first tuple? That is Q. What is Q? Q is Q0 comma Q1 comma Q2 comma Q3. So we have what 4 states. You write what 4 states: Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Next, what about sigma? Sigma is A comma B. Okay, what about delta? Delta is so Q0 delta Q0 comma A, delta of Q0 comma B. Next Q1 comma A and delta of Q1 comma B. Okay, what is Q0 comma A? Q0 comma A is what Q1. Q0 comma B is again what Q0. Q1 comma A is Q2. Q1 comma B is Q0. Okay, next go with what Q2 and Q3. So delta of Q2 comma A, delta of Q2 comma B, delta of Q3 comma A and delta of Q3 comma B. Okay, yeah. So Q2 comma A, Q2 comma A is again what Q2. Q2 comma A is again what Q2 and Q2 comma B is Q3. Q2 comma B is Q3. So Q3 upon A is Q3, again Q3 upon B is again what Q3. Q3 upon A as well as B is again what Q3. So this is what your transition function. Transition function, transition diagram, and I'll write a transition table here. Okay, transition table. Okay, yeah. So how many inputs? A, B. How many states? 4 states starting from Q0 to Q3. Okay, so write your Q0. So Q0 is a start state with indicate that one is with star and final state with what arrow. Okay, so what is Q0 upon A? Q0 upon A is Q1. Q0 upon A is what Q1. Q0 upon B. Q0 upon B is again Q0. Okay, so now go with what Q1. What is Q1 upon A? Q1 upon A is what Q2. Q1 upon A is what Q2. Q1 upon B is Q1 upon B is Q naught. Okay. Next go with what Q2. Q2 upon A is Q2. Q2 upon A is Q2. So Q2 upon B. Q2 upon B is Q3. Okay. Q2 upon B is Q3. So next finally Q3. Q3 upon A as well as B is again Q3. Q3 upon A as well as B is again what? Q3. So indicate start state with start state with arrow and final state with what? Star. Okay. Start state with arrow and the final state with what? Star. So this is the final state, this is the start state. So the next problem, so draw a DFSM or a DFA to accept strings of zeros and ones with the 3 consecutive zeros. So consecutive zeros means continuous zeros. There should be 3 continuous zeros, or there should be substring 3 0. Okay, and strings of zeros and ones. So if a strings of zeros and ones means what's a sigma? Sigma will going to become 0, 1. Strings of A's and B's, sigma are going to become what? A, B. Strings of A's, sigma are going to become A. Strings of A, B, C, the sigma are going to become what? A, B, C. Okay. So after writing sigma, what's the next thing? Next you have to write what language? So how to write what language? 3 consecutive zeros. There should be at least 3 consecutive zeros in your language. Therefore, in the worst case, I will get what? 3 zeros. Okay. So next, I can write even 4 0, 5 0, or 0 1 0 0 0. So there should be exactly 3 zeros. That's it. In any position. So how many strings you can form? You can form what? N number of word strings. Therefore, what's the type of the language? The type of the language is what? Infinite language. Okay. So the type of the language is what? Infinite language. Whenever the language is what? Infinite. So underline what? Minimum length string. What's the length of what? Minimum length string? Length is what? 3. If the length is what? 3, how many states? 4 states, and one should be what? Start state, and one should be what? Accepting state. Okay. So 2 more is what? Intermediate state, that is just a circle, and connect this one using what? Arrow. So after making correction, whatever the minimum length string, you write that one as it is 0 0 0. Okay, and name what? All the states. So this is what your Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, yeah. So Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. So now this will going to become what? Skeleton. Now I have to build what? Muscle. So in order to build what? Muscle, rewrite this one what? One more time. So Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, rewrite this skeleton whatever written one more time. Next you build what? Muscle. So how to build what? Muscle? Sigma is 0, 1. From each state there should be exactly 2 paths. So if you go with what? Q naught, already there is a path forward 0. Now I have to give path forward 1. What's the first option? Loop upon what? 1. So if I write what? Loop, so n number of ones. If I before going to what? Accepting state, I'll going to have what? 3 zeros. So therefore loop is a valid option. So if you observe what? Q naught, there is a path for 0 and there is a path for 1. So Q naught is what? Over. Okay, now go with what? Q1. There is already path for what? 0. Now I have to build path for what? 1. So if I write what? Loop upon 1, what will happen? 0, n number of ones 0, then I'll going to have what? N number of ones, then it will going to accept what? 2 0. Okay, I'll get what? 3 zeros, 3 consecutive zeros. Therefore loop upon 1 is not a valid option. If loop is not a valid option, then I have to connect with what? Next immediate state. Just observe, they have 2 next nearest state. If I connect somewhere, I'll get what? 3 zeros. If I connect here, I'll not get what? 3 zeros upon what? 1. Okay, but if I connect here, I'll get what? 3 consecutive zeros. Therefore Q1 upon 1, you connect with what? Q naught. A number of ones 1 0, again 1 1, and before going to what? Accepting state, it will accept what? 3 consecutive zeros. Okay, so connecting to Q1 upon 1 to Q naught is a valid option. So now if you observe what? Q1, there is a path for 0 and there is a path for 1. Therefore this is also valid. This is also what? Over. Now go with what? Q2. Okay, now already there's a path forward 0, now I have to give path forward 1. Loop is not possible. Why? Because that will going to disturb our 3 consecutive zeros. Next, you have to connect with what? Next nearest state. Next nearest state is what? Q1 and what? Q3. If I connect here, I will not get what? 0. I will not get what? 3 consecutive zeros. If I connect here, again I will not get what? 3 consecutive zeros. Okay, so connecting to Q1 and Q3 is also not possible. Now try to connect with what? Here. If I connect here to Q0, what will happen? Starting I may have n number of ones followed by 2 zeros, then 1. Before going to accepting state, it will going to accept what? 3 zeros, 3 consecutive zeros. Therefore, connecting to Q0 up Q2 upon 1 to Q0 is a valid option. Okay. Yeah, now Q2 is also over. Why? Because there is a path for Q 0 as well as what? 1. Now go with what? Q3. Okay. Already I have what? 3 consecutive zeros. Then I can have what? Anything. Outright what? Anything. You can write what? Loop upon 0, 1. So this is what your required transition diagram, DFA or DFSM. Okay. So required transition diagram. Now write what? All the 5 tuples. What's the first tuple? First tuple is what? Q. So what is Q? Q is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So we have 4 states. So I written that 4th state as it is. What is your sigma? Sigma already we know that one. That is what? 0, 1. Sigma is 0, 1. Okay. So what are the remaining tuples? Delta I will write at the end. So what is the start state? S is what? Q0. Start state is Q0, and what about accepting state? Accepting state is Q3. Okay, accepting state is what? Q3. And what's the last tuple? Last tuple is a transition function. So delta of Q0 upon 0. Delta of Q1 upon 0 is what? Q1. Q0 upon 1. What is Q0? Q0 upon 1. Q0 upon 1 is again what? Q0. So Q1 upon 0 is what? Q2. Q1 upon 1 is Q0. Okay. So next you write with respect to what? Delta of Q2 comma 0 and delta of Q2 comma 1. Delta of Q3 comma 0 and delta of Q3 comma 1. Okay. So delta of Q2 comma 0. Q2 comma 0 is Q3 and Q2 comma 1 is Q0. Q2 comma 1 is what? Q0. So Q3 comma 0. Q3 comma 0 is again what? Q3. Q3 comma 1 is again what? Q3. Q3 comma 1 is again what? Q3. So this one is what? Your transition function. Transition diagram, transition function, and we have one more, that is for transition table.